Nu, Tbilisi ir baigi trokšņainā pilsēta. Te ir gan baigi lielā satiksme, kur visi lielākoties pīpinās, gan arī cilvēku uz ielām ir ļoti daudz, kuri savā starpā sabļaustās. Tā kā jā, un plus vēl ir suņi pilnas ielas, kuri gan rej viens uz otru, gan kaujās savā starpā. Nu, tad jūs varat iedomāties, kāds te bardaks ir. Kam jābūt, tam jābūt.
Straight from the Middle East, lit like a rocket. Give me a bit, I'm a rocket. Feeling like Rocky, fit in my pockets. Bipolar man, humble and cocky. They try to copy, give me the money. I need my greens like it's broccoli. I ain't tryna ball on the budget. Man, I got drip like a hole in the bucket. Pull up with a coupe, they wish they were driving. I'm just trying to get myself to the top. Seeing myself getting top in the parking lot. In the lay in the drop top. Get that money like chop chop. Got your bitch